lavished with a wealth of grains and flowers in our Mother Earth, in the midst of this land, more splendid than all other lands. She is created by dreams, she is surrounded by memories. Now, where we will discover such a land as this? Oh, she is the queen of all lands, she is my motherland. Moon and sun, planets and stars. Is there a similar surge of brilliance anywhere? Where does the lightning play quite like this? Among such black clouds, after the call of her birds put me to sleep, I am awakened by the birds' songs again. Now, where will you discover such a land as this? Oh, she is the queen of all lands. She is my motherland. Whose rivers are so gentle? Do such massive mountains exist anywhere? Where do such green acres meet like this under the skies? Is those land? Does the wind dance like waves on paddy? Nowhere you will ever find such a land like this. Oh, she's the queen of all lands. She is my motherland. The trees are covered with flowers. Birds sing in every haunt. Buzzing, the bees arrive and chase each other in great clusters. They fall asleep on the flowers after drinking their nectar. Nowhere will you find this land. Oh, she is a queen of all lands. She is my motherland. Where can one go to attain so much affection from a mother or brother? I hold both your feet, O mother, close to my breast. I was born in this very land. Let me die here as well. Nowhere will you discover such a land as this. Oh, she is the queen of all lands. She is my motherland.